I can't believe we just went in there.
All right, so we have a change of plan. We had lunch. Instead of going to Rivas, we are going to Granada. Show the crew.
My father told me I was timid child. At school they said I had no style.
All right, you guys get it.
I was dreaming to be those cookies, but I come to fucked up my whole teenage life. Now I've been many places, all these years. I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. It's the star that showed me where I go, just like a new you.
And I'm flurrying souls and sounds and smiles. Oh, we're coming home tonight. You never know how to express your feeling, don't you? Oh, we're coming home tonight.
My father told me I was born to run. Long way from home, he never doubt peace, son. Don't call me back until your dreams come true. But I pray for you, be always by your side. Now I've been many places, all these years. I used to cry overnight, but now I'm not gonna fit. It's the star that showed me where I go, just like a new you. And life is nothing but a simple song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home. And life is nothing but a simple song. Don't worry, Daddy, I ain't coming home.
Town square. Trying to show you guys as much as I can. We're not staying here for long. It's probably 30 minutes max. So we're just gonna get a chance to get the vibe, show all those monuments. Huh? Look at this. It's well kept. It's nice. Water's clean. With all the restaurants. I've been here 40 years ago, and I'm glad today we got a chance to visit again, and I'll show you guys. Now it's not the time because it's like hot outside. I don't remember this place. What do you guys think?
I like it. It's crazy.
Not good time of the day to come here. This is at night. It'll be happening at night. Tell them we're not staying here. We're going to Rivas. Look at the colors. It's nice to come back to Granada, Gloria. You always wanted to come back.